We love this country. We love this country more than money. You can't come to our matches uzosixhaphaza usenze sibukeke ngathi siyizinja eyilambela ukudla into ebolile. So lama security companies amaningi. Every security company we have instructed in over 5,000 men that are going to look after these matches. They are going to take the names of these security companies. After the match, we are coming for these security companies because all these buildings that are guarded by security companies that are owned by foreigners, we are coming for those people because we can't have a country where even a policeman is scared of a illegal foreigner. We can't. With the no-go areas, the Mayfair and Palm Ridge and all those, we are coming. Then they must start to shoot, and then they must see what South Africans are like. We want them to shoot. We heard that in Palm Ridge and Mayfair, they started moving their kids away. Do you understand what that means?
Waging war.
Uyazi ukuthi abantu bokufika eMayfair naselanto banele bezwe ukuthi siza khona baqala bathatha izingane zabo bayoyifihla kwasala amadoda odwa eSouth Africa. Abantu bokufika balungela ukulwa nathi eSouth Africa because ugovernment ubanikeza wonke amandla ukhipha 600 million uthi ngeke sibathinte. So from this company that is saying bullets, this gun shop to the security companies, we are coming. Truck companies, we are coming. Farms, we are coming. Estate, we are coming. Private properties, we are coming. There's nothing private in this country. You can't say you have a private property in this country when you are running your own show in the country. You are running your own country in another country. We can't have that. All these drugs are coming through airports. They're coming through. They are transported by police. They are transported by these companies, security companies. We are stopping all that nonsense. Yizwe leli, yithi amadoda lelizo scheme. Asikwazi bona. Asingcono sife singaboni. Kungcono sife singaboni. And their bad luck is that I'm not going to die. That is the bad luck. That's one thing they don't know.
But give me the breaking news. Mabeti 600,000. Uzwa le amount 600 million. Also, about this 600 million, it has been declared by number one in the country. Itumele ipi signal engqondweni yakho.
Uhulumeni unayo imali. I've been saying it. Uhulumeni bafuna imali. South Africa. South Africa can pay South Africans 1 million every year for the rest of their lives. Let's say the average life expectancy in South Africa is 70 years. South Africa can pay 70 million to each person in this country to sustain themselves for the rest of their lives. We don't even need to work. We can have these legal immigrants coming to South Africa to work for us, like in Dubai.